hopefully you've already seen the first couple parts about what actually chain abstraction is and how it works on your protocol. But let's actually look at some actual developer takeaways and why this is important for developers to understand and how they can actually leverage this for their own dApp. Number one, this is going to simplify onboarding. So now through Near's really simple wallet setup and account abstraction, you can really streamline your onboarding. And now you can reduce friction even further because you can work across multiple chains with one account. From there, you then also have, again, cross-blockchain transactions. Now, if you want to build and leverage a certain chain that does something better than another one, you can do that all from the same dApp, all from the same singular wallet. So now the possibilities of what you can build really have opened up. You have a unified user experience for all your users. So now as, again, you're working across multiple chains, or as you start to work across even just different parts of your app, you can let everybody in through the same process, using the same type of account, and make both your support system easier, more streamlined, as well as a much better experience for your users. The big part here is going to be the intent relayers. And intent relayers are something that's really going to we're going to have to dig deeper into so you really understand how all that's going to work. As you start to set those up, that's what's really setting up the execution across multiple chains. So this will be a big component that we'll certainly dive into more in a future video. Coming up soon is a testnet launch. Testnet is going to allow you to actually start to build these across both the Near testnet and multi-chain testnets to start to see how this is actually going to work and what this experience will be like. We hope to see this by early March 2024. And then from there, work towards mainnet. One piece that everyone should be aware of as a developer is that the multi-chain relayer is essentially a paymaster account that sits on ETH. And this is where actually that some of that funding will go. But everything you're paying for as the user, and even as the dApp that's going to then do those transactions across, everything you're paying for is going to be in Near to simplify that process for all users.